Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to all of you. How have you been? I hope all are fine and fit. So today I am going to talk about how to create any sentence in your mind. Okay. So before I start this video, I requested all of you that if you are new learner, okay, and if you learn to know something, if you want to impact in your life, okay, so first of all your responsibility is you have to subscribe my channel. Okay, you should subscribe my channel, you must be subscribe my channel, because if you do this thing, when I uploaded any video in my channel, you will get notifications. Okay, so you know that actually when I had created my channel, okay, I think before 2 months I do not speak. Okay, I cannot speak one sentence, but right now gradually day by day I realize myself that I little bit improved. Okay, because I am trying to myself, I learn to some new something. Okay, doesn't matter how old I am, okay, or doesn't matter, everything you can do in your life. Okay, everything, if you want if you want to learn new something, or if you learn to anything, okay, so you can do, because just you first of all you commitment yourself that I will do this thing. Okay, it is possible for you, for us, or everything, or every person, okay, can do it. Okay, so now today topic is how to make sentence. Okay, so actually friends, I want to tell something here, because of it is no story, but okay, I telling you. Okay, I telling actually when I think before 2 months, okay, I joined a spoken English class. Okay, so what happened there? So sir told me that okay, you can introduce yourself. Okay, so I have gone the stage, means in front of board. Okay, and I tell my introduce. Okay, when I start my introduce, I cannot anything. Okay, I cannot anything. Just I try to speak myself. I am Miton, and after that I cannot. Okay, but gradually, okay, and but I at the time I told sir that actually sir, I understands anything. Okay, I understand that any persons who can speak with me. Okay, but I understand why my problem is why I cannot speak. This is the main problem. Sir told me that no, actually if you learn to know something, okay, and if you learn to fluent English, you will have to grammar. Okay, first of all, okay, first time you have to grammar, means tense, active, passive, okay, modals, everything, all of that have. Okay, you have to learn. After that you can start speak. But I understand myself that it is not my problem. Okay, after 2 days I lived there. Okay, after coming my home, I questions myself how to learn a child persons, how to learn any language, Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, anything. After born child, how to learn. Okay, so what I am doing there, I speak myself. Okay, I have seen lots of video, friends, believe me, lots of video from YouTube. Okay, and just I speak myself alone. Okay, at home, in my home. Okay, after I think 1 month or 2 months, I realized that if I do this thing, okay, I will not join any course, okay, any English course, okay. So I start my journey, okay. And friends, you know that actually, for example, like giving example, God has given us, super computer, okay. So it is called head top, not desktop or laptop, okay. So how much piece it is? There's unless GB, okay. So if you or I or anybody, okay, anyone to want to learn new something or new creating next sentence, okay, so it is possible, okay. So friends, actually after long times I have come, okay. I will give next video, okay. I will come back, and I hope this video, actually this video is educational purpose video, okay. I think this video is helpful for everyone. So if you like this, if you watch this video, so subscribe my channel or like, share or comment, okay. Absolutely, I think you will do, okay. So take care, best of luck, good luck in future.